Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable dark mode on Facebook Android. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now open your account settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see settings and privacy. Press on this. Now you can see here dark mode. Press on it. If you want to disable your dark mode on your Facebook, you just have to press on this off option. Press it. That's it. So this is how you can disable your dark mode on Facebook Android. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.